Look at that. So we're getting inside this Cyclone. And we're getting inside this, so we're getting from the back. It's quite massive. Look at that. Wow. Very interesting. There's a seat over here. So there's plastic window. It's like a tin can. Look at this complex. I'm not sure what's this for. Oh, looks like it's holding all of this cable. And we have here the controls. So basically maybe this is about 6 feet. 6 feet high inside. Wow. It's a computer system.
Step up on the first step there.
Look at that.
Any questions?
Door gun mount.
Now we're going to see the cockpit. Wow.
Do you want to look
This
up
is
there?
a closer look up of this Cyclone 168.
You want to wait for them to come? You gotta like, give them back up.
Yeah, pretty much.
Study his records. Learn to fly.
Wow. So that's the inside of this Cyclone 168. So gigantic helicopter. This is going to replace the Seeking helicopter. The Canadian Air Force.